when I think about the future, I'm afraid and I'm anxious. And I guess the project might be to try and transform that. I mean, the work that we're doing at the V&A on this new future exhibition is to, that's in a way the visitor journey. It's to say, you come in feeling anxious. We want to, through the course of the show, give you enough information that you have your bearings, and even more than that, in the conclusion, to give you the tools to enact that new knowledge and to leave the exhibition with new eyes, to look at the world and to feel like you know where to pull on it in order to make it your own. And in a way that it's kind of about reclaiming the idea of the future, to reclaim optimism. And it's very hard to do that at the moment. You read today about coral bleaching. I mean, we're apparently meant to give up on the Great Barrier Reef. I mean, it's kind of unthinkable. But the only way we can change that is through cooperation, is through working together, is through, I guess, unlocking that agency, so that instead of the future being something done to us, and that's everything from Apple changing their charging cable to the terms of Brexit, to the future being something which we're all co-creating, and technology is the answer as well as the problem. But in terms of specific technologies, there's also a sense that we can reclaim some of them, I think. I mean, that a technology itself has predilections. Let's say it's Facebook's drone for giving the internet to the whole of India or Africa. That technology, which is somehow an extension of military research into autonomous flying planes, also military research into connectivity, all the colonial implications of just rolling out a new service from literally the stratosphere. It's very difficult to see how that can be, and yet we know so much that the internet has, and mobile technology especially, has done more than anything to assist in alleviating poverty in much of the world. So how do we kind of reclaim or adapt that technology, which is clearly amazing, clearly brilliant, to shift it a bit towards a more generous world, instead of a world where the next billion are locked into a proprietary social network, but instead have the possibilities of the internet as an open platform and a place for constructing new realities on top of that. And for me, that's a tiny tweak, so that all the pieces for a positive future are available, and through our agency and intelligence, we can shift them slightly towards a more generous social future.